Exercise 12.1 Problem 9 Discussion. Let's read the problem. A number is selected at random from integers 1 to 100. Find the probability that it is a perfect square and 2 not a perfect cube. Okay. So, what is given? We have numbers from 1 to 100. So, there are 100 numbers. The n of s is 100 and we want to find the probability of getting a perfect square and not a perfect cube. So, these are the two things which we need to do. What's a perfect square between 1 to 100? 1 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 9, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square 36, 49. 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So, these are only the perfect square numbers. So, all you need to do is define A as event of getting a perfect square and list the elements of A and find n of A and thereafter find the probability of getting a perfect square. For the second part, it is different, not a perfect cube. So, let's find first for a perfect cube and then 1 minus that probability will give you not a perfect cube. Okay, not means first find for perfect cube and then 1 minus of that value will give you not a perfect cube. So, what are the perfect cubes? 1 again is a perfect cube, 2 cube is 8, that is correct. Then 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, it is not applicable. So, only 4 outcomes are there for perfect cube. So, probability of getting a perfect cube is 4 divided by total number of outcomes is 100, right? Because there are 100 numbers, 1 to 100. So, 4 divided by 100 is 1 by 25. So, not a perfect cube is 1 minus 1 by 25, that is 24 by 25 will be the probability of getting not a perfect cube. Okay? So, let's get going. A given number is selected from integers 1 to 100. Actually, number 1 to 100 is given. We are asked to find the probability getting a perfect square and not a perfect cube. Formula is the same. P of A is n of A divided by n of S. Okay. So, now list the sample space. First step in all these cases is to list the sample space and find n of S. So, what is the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 up to 100. And what is n of S? There are 100 numbers. So, n of S is 100. Next, identify, let A be the event of selecting a perfect square. Then, list the outcomes of A as I was telling earlier. 1, 4, 16, 25, etc., etc. Okay, and find n of A. Once you find n of A, you have n of S. We can find the probability of getting A, that is n of A divided by n of S. Right? Next. Do the same for cube also. So, find how many cubes are there and find the probability of getting a perfect cube. Then, probability of getting not a cube is 1 minus probability of getting B, or probability of getting a cube. Here, B is the event of getting a cube. I forgot to define it here. So, B is the probability of getting a perfect cube and B complement is probability of not getting an perfect cube. So, that is 1 minus P of B. Okay. Now, let's do the problem. Okay. So, the sample space is given here. What is the sample space? 1, because the numbers are from 1 to 100. All the 100 numbers is the sample space, because when you select a number, anything can come. 1 can come, 10 can come, 100 can come, 99 can come. So, all the numbers are possible outcomes. So, sample space is 1, 2, 3 to 99 and 100. And n of S, how many elements are there? 100 elements are there. So, n of S is 100. Okay. Next, let A be the event of getting a perfect square. How many perfect squares are here? 1 is a perfect square. Then 4 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. 16 is 4 square. 5 square. 6 square. 7 square. 8 square. 9 square. 10 square. So, these are all the perfect squares which are sitting inside this sample space, right? And our event A is getting a perfect square. So, this is all the possible outcomes, favorable outcomes, not possible. This is possible outcome. This is favorable outcomes for us. How many favorable outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 favorable outcomes are there. So, n of A equal to 10. So, probability of getting an event is 10 divided by 100. That is 1/10 of the case you will get a perfect square. Okay. Now let's go to the second part. Second part, let B be the event of getting a perfect cube. They are asking for not a perfect. So let's find first perfect cube and subtract that value from 1. You will get the probability of getting not a perfect cube. So let B be the event of getting a perfect cube. What are the perfect cubes? Again, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube it becomes 125. It does not fit our case because our case is we have only up to 100 numbers, right? 100 is the last number. So you can't take 5 cube which is 125. So 4 cube is a last number. So these are the 4 cases which is perfect cube. So n of B is 4. Probability of getting B is 4 divided by total number of outcome is 100 as usual, right? Previous case also is 100. In all these cases it is 100 for this problem. So 4 divided by 100 is 1 by 25. This is a probability of getting a cube. Now probability of not getting a cube is 1 minus P of B. That is 1 minus 1 by 25. That is 24 by 25. So whenever they say not, it is little difficult to find it directly. Easier to find for cube and then subtract that value from 1, you will get not a cube. Okay. Now let's say what is the probability of getting not a square? 1 minus 1 by 10. Because probability of getting a square is 1 by 10. Probability of not getting a square is 1 minus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 10. Okay. I hope I have explained this. If not, please go through one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.